Hi, hello, David Bradley. Another short little video here. It's funny. I guess these two very yellowed cases didn't go together because there is a thing on the bottom with a serial number 591360, made in Canada. But off on this corner here, there's another thing, and it's kind of taped on. But I figure in order for the yellowing to be undone or sorted and figured as best as I can, I really don't need that on there. And I guess I don't know what it's from. Probably another Vic-20. Um, Maybe, you know what, maybe the top and the bottom are not matched. It certainly leaves a nice white spot where it was. We'll see how the sun bleaching process goes, and I guess I will toss this into a bucket over there, and we'll see what's what. But soon, this will sit in the sun. And it's remarkable, actually, how much difference the sun can make. No chemicals. No chemicals. The summer sun is better. Anyway, we'll see how this goes. We'll see. Anyway, they look better when they're white. But then the C16 looks better when it's black. And I guess the black probably doesn't yellow much. I guess. Anyway, just part of living in an 8-bit world known as, yes, the world of Commodore. Bye for now.